Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako, walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!
Good evening, everybody, and it's a Monday night again and another Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And plus, this is the first Monday of May, and I hope everybody is safe na nasa bahay, and please stay hydrated. Sobrang init ng panahon ngayon. Always drink water. And before we start our Chikahan, I want to invite everybody, please come and watch our upcoming theater show, Saglit Lang, Totoo Na. This is our anniversary show, directed by, of course, our director, Direk Rodel Mercado. And you can watch this in Mirror Theater, Mirror Studio Theater, Kalayaan Avenue, Makati. And this will be on June 6 and 7. June 6, the time is 7 p.m. And June 7, we have two shows at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. And for ticket reservation, our ticket now is available na. So you can call 0927-242-6273 and 0954-170 or 2679. Or you can message in our Facebook page. And of course, don't forget and make it a habit, please. Make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Of course, every Monday, I'll start the week with Chikahan with Mommy Ray. And every Wednesday, Up Top Download podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Dale. Miss you guys. And every Friday, of course, coffee chat with the Veno. All of this, make it happen 7 p.m. po. And you can watch this in our Facebook page, Ignos Novus Artist Management. Same with our Instagram. And of course, please like, follow, and subscribe our TikTok account at ignosnovus.official that you can watch also some of our Way Back Wednesdays. And of course, please like, follow, and subscribe our mother company, First Son Production. Same ang aming Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, that where you can watch all our lives, our events, and also our Way Back Wednesday. Ayan, ang dami ko nang nasabi. And of course, my guest tonight is a special mom, like me, a special mom. And also, she's representing Mrs. Universe Philippines, LBH. Yan, aalamin natin what LBH stands for. So please welcome Mrs. Joy Lisa El Mundo for El Mundo.
El Nido.
El Nido, of course. I'm sorry. El Nido Formoso. Ayan.
Hi, good evening.
Ayan, sorry.
Hi, Mami Ray.
Hello po.
Yes.
Maganda, Mami. Kamusta po?
Okay naman. Medyo napaaga lang kami ng konti kasi we're expecting traffic sana kasi we came all the way from Antipolo. But, ayun, ang bilis namin. Hindi na mahalata masyadong excited to
No,
meet
it's
you.
okay. Mas maganda, mas early, mas maganda na kapag ayos na hindi nagmamabilis. Di ba, Mami?
Opo,
So,
tama.
Mami, gusto ko na malaman, from where are you? Do you have a province?
Actually, I grew up talaga sa Metro Manila.
Okay.
I was born sa PJH, Manila, and grew up sa Quezon City. But yung parents ko, they both have provinces. Like, my mom, tiga Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And yung father's side ko naman is Ilonggo. So, hello from sa mga Igbaras, Iloilo na mga relatives ko. But, yun nga, medyo matagal na kaming hindi nakadalaw since nag-pass away si father ko nung high school. Pero, nung bata kami, talagang very vivid yung memory ko na required kami umuwi. Basta every summer vacation, we need to take a vacation and see all my relatives there, my cousins. Mga 1 month talaga kami nag-i-stay and talagang yung life doon talagang back to yung province life talaga na may mga sapa. Yes, yun yung mga naalala ko talaga.
So ngayon, wala na, hindi ka na masyado nagpa-province. Kahit sa Bulacan, you never visit Bulacan.
Visit lang. Pag kunwari, may gift-giving si mother and gusto niya makita yung mga relatives niya. Pero basically, talagang based kami sa Metro Manila.
Pero naranasan mo naman maglaro. Like, you go out and explore yung larong bata. Yung nilalaro natin before, like yung patintero and everything, diba? Na-experience mo yun?
Yes, Mami Ray. I'm a very extrovert ng bata. Talagang pagising na umaga, pagka-breakfast, labas talaga ako agad. Very, talaga ako, yung sociable. So, name it, lahat ng mga games niyan, Melder. Piko, agawan base, football, ano pa ba? Chinese garter, di ba? Mga shato, sipa, lahat yan. Medyo may pagka-boyish ako nung bata. So, lahat yan nilalaro ko.
Kahit baseball, yan mga ganyan. Ako kasi naranasan ko yung baseball na yan. Pero, Mami...
We call it shato yata.
Yung shato, yung
iba.
gano'n.
Yes. Pero ano naman, Mami, siguro dun din nag-start yung aking leadership skills. And at the same time, siguro yung aking pagiging princess or reyna. Kasi nga, very competitive ako nung bata. So, pag maglalaro kami, group games, they really tap me. Ayan na yung reyna ng Chinese garter, di ba? Tapos yun nga, pag medyo mataas na talaga, tinatawag talaga nila ako. And nagka-cartwheel talaga ako nung bata just to prove to them na kaya ko.
Okay.
So, na-enjoy ko talaga yung pagkabata ko. Kasi all those games, especially now, pag nag-brown out, di ba, yung mga kabataan, nagpapanik.
Mm.
Tayo nung time natin pa nag-brown out talaga. It was super happy. Labas lahat kasi magtataguan tayo, di
Oo,
ba?
at saka I remember pa, mami ko na naranasan, may pag walang kuryente, yan yung time na nagsha-shadow play tayo ng kamay, diba?
Yes.
But mami, before we start, mag-continue yung ating chikahan, parang sumasabog ang comment section. Ang daming gusto mag-good evening. Okay, Peter, good evening. Ayan, tapos si Micaela, good evening po. And
Good
then
evening.
Alessandro.
Ay, si Hasba. Ay, good evening,
Good
hubby.
evening po. Ayan. And then of course, si Kael, good evening, Mama Ray and Mom Joy. Ang pretty niyo po. Ay, thank you so much. Eto na. Hello ko, Queen Joy. So, hindi ko po
Ayan.
mabasa namin.
Si ano
kasi
yan? Si Doc Tomo or kasama ko siya, one of the queens, Miss
Oh.
Antipolo. Hi, Doc Tomo.
Ay, Doc. Tapos, Janice. Hello
Janice,
po.
mga ka-cos
Good
special
evening,
moms,
of
yeah.
course. And watching from Kabuyaw. Uy, Kabuyaw, Laguna. Hi, good evening po. Maraming salamat. And then Daylin, hello, good evening po. And of course, MJ.
Ayan.
Good evening po. Let's Ma'am Joy. Ayan.
Yes.
Si Evo, hello Ma'am Joy from the gorgeous VDL Momshies.
Hi, Mama.
Ayan. Of course, my daughter. There's Gailey. Mahay bebe ko. That's my daughter. And then Almira. Good evening po. Watching from Antipolo. Maraming salamat. And then si Ma'am Alvara. Heart. And then si Sindel. Good evening. Hello to our Mrs. Universe, Miss Joy. Ayan pa. And then Solhan. Let's go, Mommy Joy.
Yes, advisor yan ni Angel.
Of
Hi,
course.
Susan.
And then si Divina nagpa-heart. Hello
Mare.
po. And yan. Hello, ginang ng magandang Mommy Joy. Ganyan na.
Thank you.
Yan, hindi namin alam kung kanina basta yun.
Sulat.
Tapos si Aston.
Aston, that's my eldest son.
Hello,
Hi,
mama
kuya.
ko yan. And thank you, Aston, for sending 15 stars. Maraming
Ang galante.
Ang galante naman. And meron pa ba? Ayan, watching daw, sabi ni Dylan. Thank you so much po. And then
Thank you.
if you have any questions kay Mommy Joy, you can drop your question at the comment section. Ayan. So, Mommy Joy, medyo fast-paced tayo konti, ha? So, dito ka na sa Manila, lumaki and
Yes,
everything, di ba? So, dito na talaga nag-aral. Dito na.
lahat.
So, yung
QC.
college, dito na sa QC. So, nung college, saan ka nag-aral and what course?
Yes, I'm alumna of Miriam College. Sa Katipunan po yun.
Yes.
I took business administration nung college ako. And then, I was taking my master's also na HR. While working there, doon na rin ako nag-work. So, masyadong talagang loyal talaga. So, nag-work din ako doon for 20 years. And then, yun nga, when we were blessed with a child with Down syndrome, nag-shift ako ng course from HR, nag-back to zero ko, and I took the master's in special education. So, thankfully, natapos din kasi few subjects lang kinukuha ko every Saturdays lang. So, it took more than 5 years, but it was worth the wait. Ang sarap ng feeling na, yun nga, natapos mo.
Yeah.
Juggling family, juggling work, and then studies, diba?
Teka, Mommy, yun nga sabi mo, nag-masteral ka for special kids, SPED.
Yes.
Bakit, I know you have Angel in your life. I know Angel is one of the reason why nag-masteral ka for special kids na education. Bakit naman? Not only because of Angel o talagang ginusto mo lang talaga?
Well, back then talaga kasi, kaming dalawa ng asawa ko, wala sa side niya, wala rin sa side ko. So, Down syndrome, medyo clueless kami about what it is. So, parang inisip ko, minsan kasi kaya lang umiiyak ang mga magulang upon learning na may special kids sila is out of fear or dahil wala sila talagang idea.
Yeah.
So, I was thinking, I need to empower myself so that, yun nga, I can accept and spread awareness para sa mga kids with special needs.
Yeah.
And at the same time, yung time na yun ay uso yung shadow teacher.
Yes.
So, inisip ko, bakit ako magbabayad pa na alam ko na very expensive to hire a shadow teacher. So, sabi ko, ako na lang mag-shadow teacher sa anak ko. Pero, too late na to know na yung bandang ending na matatapos na ako, bawal pala. bawal pala maging shadow teacher ang isang magulang sa sarili niyang anak. Kasi syempre, may mga biases, something, di ba? So, but luckily, na-apply ko pa rin siya during the pandemic. Kasi it was online class. So, yeah, that's basically one of the reason kung bakit ako din nag-resign early.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi kaya ng in-laws ko to handle yung online kasi medyo techy na nga. So, yun, I took the leap and decided to early retirement. And ako na mag-shadow teacher sa anak ko kasi siya, inclusive education.
Yeah.
So, medyo struggle talaga, kailangan tutukan.
Yeah, I know.
And between career and syempre family comes first always.
Yes, Mommy, I've learned, hindi lang naman si Angel ang special, di ba? You still have
Yes.
one. Unahin muna natin yung acceptance dun sa nauna. When you found out one of your kids had special needs, paano nyo in-accept?
Ang nakakatuwa, Mami Ray, it was the other way around. Nag-masters talaga ako. It's really for Angel that time. But during the SPED 101, that's the first few subjects sa masteral, we had the speaker, tapos nag-share siya about ADHD,
Yeah,
ng mga red flags, something.
of course.
And then, yung nakita ko, lahat, check sa anak ko. So, medyo late na rin ko nalaman na my son is also special as ADHD. May mga, ano ba, ang tawag to? May mga stage of denial part pa na kami ni Daddy, yan,
Yeah, of
medyo
course.
nag-argue na, ay, hindi, ganun din naman ako nung bata,
Yeah.
something. So, at the end, sabi ko, for peace of mind, let's have him diagnosed para alam developmental pedja. And then, ayun, nag-positive. But siguro, yung journey ko kay Angel, medyo prepared me somehow na yun nalaman ko na my Kuya CJ is also special with ADHD. Parang, chika na lang yan, manina. Kasi nga, mas mahirap yung kondisyon ng bunso ko.
Yes, exactly.
So, it's really management na lang ang nangyari sa kanya. Hindi na masyadong therapy. It's more of talagang application, understanding, something. And yung aking mga lessons sa masteral ko somehow equip me to be a special mom for both.
Yeah.
For both.
Yeah. The
sabihin
reason
ko.
why we call ourselves, or Mommy Joy called herself as a special mom, because not every mom has a special kid. Kasi hindi biro, di ba, Mommy Joy?
Yes.
Hindi siya biro, especially with you. Yung kasi yung son mo, pwede pa mabigyan ng gamot to tone down yung pagiging ADHD, di ba?
Actually, wala siyang
wala siyang
medication.
gamot.
Yeah.
Because some of the nakilala ko na may ADHD, they have
Yes,
this
yes.
maintenance para lang ma-lessen yung attacks and everything.
Mhm.
Pero kasi ADHD is still normal.
Yes.
Normal yan.
manageable.
But with Angel, yan yung prosesong mahirap
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Hindi mo alam
maraming
yung
stages
may
talaga.
stages
Yes.
Mommy, tell me, kasi not everybody knows that having a Down syndrome, may stages yan
Yes.
May stages yan. Anong stage ni Angel?
Ngayon,
Yeah.
of course, full acceptance na kami.
Yeah.
But,
Full acceptance. But yung pagiging Down syndrome niya, anong level niya?
there are 3 kinds.
There's
so,
3 kinds.
trisomy 21 si Angel.
Nasa trisomy 21.
Trisomy 21, that's the most common. I think
Yeah.
95% talaga ng mga DS are mostly sa trisomy 21
Yeah.
type.
So, which is mas okay kasi
Yes.
nasa, siya, at nag-aral. Uy, nakatapos si Angel sa
Yes.
ano yan? Anong grade or ano yung tinapos ni Angel dyan?
Ay, yung kanyang school sa Virtudes de la Academia. Shout out sa mga teachers.
Yeah.
So she graduated last year lang under full inclusion.
Wow.
Grade 6.
Grade
Something.
6. That's
Mhm,
nice.
grade
Full
6.
inclusion yan.
Yes, sa isang klase they accept one special
Yes.
child. So para ayan, maasikaso siya, mabigyan siya ng at hindi rin masyado ma-stress si teacher. So happy naman, happy na we were kasi from preschool talaga naka-inclusive education. That's really our goal for
Yes.
our daughter.
Yeah. For our audience, what inclusion means is like, usually for kids with special needs, have their special school. They have special class. Nasa isang class sila. And then, doon na-evaluate po sila. And once na na-evaluate sila, ini-inclusion po sila sa isang regular class. Now, which is your regular class? Some of the schools, they allowed in one class mga 1 or 2. 1 or 2 na na-inclusion. Ibig sabihin ko, anong pinag-aaralan ng mga regular na bata from grade 1 to 6, kinakaya po ng ating mga special na anak. Yun po yung tinatawag namin inclusion. Yan. Para maintindihan nyo. Baka sinasabi, ano ba yung inclusion? Di ba, Mami? No?
Yes.
And I know, nung nalaman mo na inclusion na si Angel, anong naramdaman mo?
Of course, I'm very proud kasi yun nga, we were able to survive. Medyo doble lang talaga.
Tutok ka.
Tutok, may review, and then after work, talagang I make sure na lahat ng mga assignments niya gawa. And then, pag mga projects, I make sure talaga na bongga talaga with presentation.
Yes.
Kasi doon kami humahabol Doon kami humahabol sa mga projects, sa mga extracurricular. Aware naman, and we fully accepted that my daughter sa academics na medyo talagang delayed. But pag extracurricular, especially mga school programs, name it, nandyan sa harap ang anak ko. On stage, nasa center, sumasayaw. Kasi she's very confident. Kasi since she was young talaga, hindi namin sila tinago. Talagang very much exposed. And ayun, lahat ng mga kakikaya niya, ay mga hobbies niya, if it's dancing, if it's modeling, talagang nandun kami sa likod niya.
Yan, yun yung gusto ko itanong, Mommy. Buti kayo, ginawa niyo siya as a regular kid.
Yes.
Yan, diba? And then, after nyo no kay Angel, eto nga itatanungin ko ano yung Mrs. Universe Philippine LBH?
LBH.
What LBH stands for?
Well, LBH stands for Little Brave Hearts.
Okay.
It's a non-stock. It's an NGO, non-stock, non-profit family support group for mga families blessed with a child with Down syndrome. So, last December, we had a parang mini pageant, Mrs. LBH pageant sa Christmas party namin. And si Ma'am Shara Lauda is always there to support kasi nga main beneficiary din ng LBH ng Mrs. Universe Foundation. So, parang the organizers finally decided na yun nga, magkaroon ng representative from the LBH community to be the face ng mga special moms. This is a good platform for us na kahit mga special moms kami, maraming struggles, maraming mga challenges, but pwede pa rin pala.
Yeah.
Pwede pa rin kaming maka-join sa mga ganitong pageant.
Yes.
Diba?
Mami, pag-uusapan natin yung LBH na yan, kung
Sure.
ano yung organization na
Yes.
yan or yung community na yan. Pero mag-hi ulit tayo, ang dami na naman sa comment section. So sabi ni Joel, good luck. Ayan.
Ay, brother ko yan.
LBH.
Hi, kuya.
Okay. And then si CJ Formoso. Mama ko yan, sabi ni CJ. Hi, CJ. And of course, Gian, hello. Mami Joy with the heart. And also si Angeline. Hi, Mami Joy. Our
Ma.
Mrs. Universe. And, what's it?
Bianca.
Bianca.
Mami
That's
Bianca.
Bianca. Proud of you, Mars. Oh, diba? And then Angeline pa, shout out, Moms of Christ of Antipolo. We are all cheering for you. Ayan. And ka-special family shout out. Hello po, ka-special.
Hello.
And Sha Hanshi. Wow, mabuhay ang batang 90s naglalaro sa mga outdoor games na enjoy ang kabataan, of
Yes.
course. And then si Divina, go Mariko, ang aming Mrs. Universe. And then heart ulit si Sean.
Mami San. Yes.
Yeah, and then Mags, PG, go Ate Joy. And then si KM, shout out daw. Hi,
Hi,
KM. And then KM, proud of you, Mommy Joy. And then may stars. And then si Sol, we are beyond grateful for your life, Mommy Joy. You are such an inspiration and more people and parents. Ayan. And sabi ni Sindel, So cute, Angel. Of course, si Sana, hello, mommy. Ay, hello, Angel. And, ayan. Pero sinabi isa. Ayan, si Aya.
Yan.
Proud of you, Mommy Joy, our Mrs.
Yan.
Universe.
OP yan ni Angel.
Okay. And then sabi ni Sol, thank you, Mommy Ray, for giving a short description about inclusion. Of course, para people will know what inclusion means.
Yes.
Diba? And then sabi ni Ka-Special, proud of you, Mommy Joy. Mommy Joy, yung LBH, sabi mo, non-government, ano siya?
NGO, non-stop.
Oo na. Sino nagtayo niyan?
It was founded by mga parents then, like us,
Yeah.
na I think 5 or 6 sila na
Okay.
officers. Shout out to Little Bravehearts Maine, mga board of directors
Okay.
nila. So, sila yung may mga anak na may mga congenital heart disease.
Okay.
And, yun, parang sila rin yung nag-reach out to have networks sa sa Heart Center.
Okay.
Kasi nga, kaya sila tinawag na Little Bravehearts. Kasi it's a fact na 50% of kids with Down syndrome are born with
Yes.
butas sa puso.
Yes.
So, a lot of siguro families are not aware of this. Kaya sinasabi nila na short lang ang mga buhay nila.
Yeah.
Hindi nila alam na hindi kasi natutundi echo.
Yeah.
Kaya pag may konting sakit, ayun, nagkakaroon ng death sa family. But kaya Little Braveheart, some of our kids na may Down syndrome as early as months old pa lang, they are being operated, open heart surgery,
Okay.
and they're fighting for their lives para marami naman success
Yes.
story na pa-open heart surgery ng mga LBH with the help ng mga doctors ng Heart Center and mga donors namin na we try to help them kung sino yung mga pwedeng lapitan na mga NGOs,
Yes,
ng
yes,
mga congressman, mga
Okay.
senators, so they could request mga GLs po.
So dito sa Little Braveheart sa LBH, it's exclusive lang for Down syndrome special kids?
Yes, for mga DS po siya. But pag may mga katulad ako, may mga events ako, minsan nag-join din ako, diyan cerebral palsy, something. But LBH so far po mga DS
Like
po
for
muna.
example me, meron akong i-refer, pero hindi na siya bata. It's just like 17, 18 na siya. Meron siyang heart problem. You can still help her.
Pero
him.
DS pa?
Oo.
Naman po. Ako sa LBH Antipolo chapter ko, my eldest is 32 years old.
Oh.
Laki na talaga. Hi, Kuya Jerome, if you're
Wow.
watching. Yan ang isa sa mga talagang big babies or kuya-kuya na.
Okay.
dito.
Ayan. So, yung pala yun. So, para you help parents with special kids like the Down syndrome na merong heart problem.
Heart condition,
Heart
yeah.
condition. So, para they can prolong their life. Kasi nga,
Yes.
50% of them has a heart problem. May butas na yung puso.
Yes. At saka, Mami Ray, ang open heart surgery, mahina po ang 800 to 1 million.
Yes.
So, yung iba talaga, especially yung families who belong
Yeah.
to indigent talaga, hindi kaya pa operahan Kaya, ayan, minsan talaga, nakukuha na kaagad ng, hindi nakakuha ng opportunity
Yeah,
for
yeah.
open heart surgery. Kaya nagkakasakit.
Yeah. Mommy, speaking of, yan, sabi mo nga, this is your advocacy sa Mrs.
Yes.
Universe. Sa Mrs. Universe to help other people with special needs. How can you tell parents, new parents that having this angels, paano nila i-accept? Paano nila i-accept yung condition? And then, ano yung pwede mong ibigay sa kanilang advice for that?
Well, first and foremost, siguro, congratulate siya. Congratulations po. Kasi ang mga doctor natin, pag sinabing special, ang unang sinasabi, I'm sorry. Diba? I'm sorry. Your daughter has Down syndrome or autism or cerebral palsy.
Yeah.
So this time is different. It's congratulations. You are blessed. Your family is blessed. Kasi among all families, kayo yung na-chose ni God
Yeah,
to be stewards of yung kanilang special angel. Hindi siya madali. Maraming struggles. And lagi ko naman din sinasabi sa mga other special moms na kasama ko sa chapters ko na minsan nakakapagod, pero laban lang. Pwede magpahinga, pwedeng umiyak, sandali, pero laban lang kasi yun nga, hindi naman bibigay sa inyo yan kung hindi nyo kaya. And napakaraming opportunities kung talagang i-accept nyo lang sila wholeheartedly.
Yeah.
But it's part talaga naman talaga,
Yeah.
the denial. And ako, masasabi ko naman din na first few months kay Angel talagang maraming bucket of tears, balde-balde. But at the end, iiyak lang lahat. And slowly talaga marirealize niya na blessings talaga sila. And honestly, promise, when Angel came to our family, napakaraming blessings.
Yeah.
Halos lahat ng raffle nga sinalihan namin, nananalo kami. Loto na lang hindi. Pero yun nga, basta i-accept lang sila, alam na talaga yung blessings ni Lord ay darating.
Darating diba?
Yes,
Yeah.
actually, just to share, feeling ko nga itong Mrs. Universe, yung opportunity that was given to me is one of the special prize
Yeah.
by God. Sabi nga siguro, ayan, naiiyak na ako. You were a good mom to Angel, you did your best. And as a prize, yung iyong childhood dream of being a queen, ipaparanas ko sa inyo. So, ayun. Kaya thankful and grateful kahit medyo may fear because this is my first time
Yeah.
to join a pageant. Wala akong idea. I'm so clueless. But lalaban lang. I'll enjoy the moment. Yung opportunity na binigay sa akin, hindi ko sasayangin.
Oo. Ilaban mo ang ating,
Because
ilaban natin ang mga,
hindi ko lang
ang mga
laban
special
nito.
kids
This
natin.
is laban na for all special moms that we deserve to be here. Kahit very challenging ang pagiging special mom,
Exactly.
we should not stop fulfilling our dreams.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi pansin nyo naman din, Mami Ray, na yun nga, nung bata tayo, ang focus lang talaga natin was first is just lang ha. Education.
Yeah.
Tapos after ng education, to land a job.
Yeah.
And then naging family, and then raise our kids. So, minsan talaga, nawawala na.
Yeah.
Umpisahan mo ko. Sabi niya, nawawala na yung tayo. Yung ano bang gusto natin sa buhay. So, now I realize, accept ko na, nasa golden age na tayo, na parang, oo nga, no, ano pa ba yung gusto ko sa buhay na hindi ko nagawa? Because I was busy raising a family, I was busy being a mom, taking care. So, sabi ko, ito na yung prize sa akin ni Lord. Thank you, Lord.
This is your time to shine.
Yes.
Diba? Time to shine. Kasi, sabi nga natin, being a mom is not easy. But being a special mom is rather 10 times not easy.
Agree.
Diba? Pero mas masaya kami.
Yes.
Mas masaya kami kasi may forever baby. May forever baby who's taking care of us. Plus, eto na, mag-hi, hello na tayo dito ulit. Para naman makapagpahinga ang aming mga mata. Ayan, sabi nga po nung Chinese dyan, hello, Co-Queen, proud of you. Yan. Tapos sabi ni Remedios, hello po, Mami Joy, nakaka-proud po kayo at nakaka-inspire. Ay, thank you. Tess, sabi ni Tess, proud of you, Mars Joy. And si Joanne, go, Mami Joy. LBH, proud of you. Ayan. Tapos si Mylene, proud of you, Mom Joy. Mylene is watching. And, ayan, sabi ni Zina, hello po. And then sabi ni Micaela, hi, Mommy Joy, can I ask po, what is the most important lesson na natutunan nyo bilang isang ina ng bata na may special na pangangailangan? At paano ito nakaka-epekto sa kung sino kayo ngayon bilang Mrs. Universe Philippines?
Wow.
HB, ang ganda naman ng question.
Parang pang Miss Universe na ang questions. Well, siguro ang isa kong masasabi, na lagi ko rin naman sinishare sa mga members ko, na being a special mom, hindi siya parang special ID na lagi tayong manghihingi ng donation.
Yeah.
Na lagi tayong mag-a-ask ng suporta from the government. sa mga NGOs. So, being a special mom ay binigay yan para maging madiskarte tayo, para maging maabilidad tayo sa buhay. So, nasa atin na rin yun kung paano natin gagawing makabuluhan ang ating buhay, paano tayo magkakaroon ng impact sa community. Kasi, ayun nga, itong platform ng Mrs. Universe Philippines is a very good platform for me kasi dati I was just advocating for my families, for my kids to be accepted, for my kids to have a safe space. Ano bang tawag na? A community na alam mo kahit, yun nga, wala na tayo sa mundo.
Yeah.
They'll be accepted and they'll be accommodated.
Yeah.
So, maliit lang na community yung aking na advocate before, but this time this is a national pageant. So I'm proud. I'm very proud to be the voice of special moms, advocating for our kids, for them to be accepted, given an opportunity to be part of the community, to be appreciated, and to be loved, unconditional love. No ifs, no buts, na hindi porkit mga special sila ay limited lang din ang opportunities na ibibigay. Because kahit special sila, they have rights, they have needs, and love lang sa community will make us parents na happy and proud for them.
Of course. Ayan. Tapos may nakita pa akong question. Of course, Direk Rodal, our director is here. So, ang question ni Direk, who encouraged you to join Mrs. Universe and do you have any fears?
I would say si Ma'am Charo Laude.
Yeah.
Hello, shout out Ma'am Charo.
Yeah.
I considered Ma'am Charo as my fairy godmother.
Okay.
She was the one who parang chose me nung nandun kami sa Mrs. LBH na Christmas party. I don't know, maybe she saw something in me. Maybe nasa eyes ko yung passion for advocacy. At sinabi niya na, you join. Honestly, Mami Ray, I thought it was just a prank. Alam mo yung parang, talaga ba? Pageant talaga. Kasi it was a parang Christmas party, ano lang yun eh. Parang joke-joke namin na, talaga Mrs. LBH tayo. But when I got a call and a message from her na, are you ready na ba? There's a photo shoot for the, the Mrs. Universe. So, medyo 1 week ako hindi napagkatulog. Nag-iisip ako, carry ba ng powers ko? Yung fears, of course, na I'm too old for this. I'm not too skinny. I'm not that beautiful. Parang feeling ko, sakto lang. Maganda ako, pero sakto lang, di ba?
Lahat tayo maganda.
Pero, naman, siyempre, sa mga pageants talaga is, alam mo, mga contesera sila. But, yun nga, my husband was one who said na, sige lang, sayang yung opportunity. Sabi niya, si Ma'am Charo trusted you and gave you the opportunity, you grab it. Kasi it's once in a lifetime opportunity. And it's a great platform for you para, yun nga, ma-promote pa rin yung advocacy mo on a national level na. Diba? So, kahit, yes, I agree, may fears, may intimidation feeling pa rin, but, yun nga, enjoy the moment lang. We're not here naman talagang parang
Manalo.
Matalo. Sorry, panalo na ako with all the perks na, yun nga, to be able, may exposure na like this, may interview, di ba? May mga photoshoot, video shoot na hindi ko naranasan nung bata ako because I was busy, yun nga, sa family.
And then, Mommy, hindi lang yung mga perks. Being a candidate in Mrs. Universe and spreading the advocacy for the acceptance of special kids, panalo na yan eh. Kasi, sinabi mo nga kanina, hindi dati small community eh. This one is a national. So, malaki na. So, marami ng boses, marami ng taong makakarinig. Panalo na tayo.
Makaka-relate sa
At
akin.
panalo na tayo dyan, di
Who
ba?
knows, baka next year, marami na sumama.
Di ba?
Mga special moms, katulad ng iba dyan.
And of course, I want to say hi daw. Sabi ni Trisha, here supporting you, Mommy Joy. Diba? And then, sabi pa ni CJ, Starbucks?
O kasi may joke kami sa family na
Mm.
every time na iiyak ako, may pa-Starbucks ako. sa
Okay. Magpapa-Starbucks daw si Mommy Joy. Ayan. And then sabi ni Crisel,
Crisel, yes.
Crisel, very, very, very well said, Mommy
Ay,
Joy.
Ay, mga
And then
boss.
si Shirley, I'm a fan of Mommy Joy. We are so proud of you. And, special, being the voice of us, you're really a winner, Mommy Joy. See, I told you,
Ay.
Mommy. And of course, Daven. Hello, Daven, our host of Coffee Chat. Coffee Chat every Friday. Si Daven. Hi, Daven. Heart, heart. Sabi ni Kael, Mommy Joy, we're so proud of you. Ay, thank you.
Wow.
And then, Mylene, go lang, Mommy Joy. You're a winner na. You the best Mom Joy. And then si Attorney CM, so inspiring, Mommy Joy. God bless. And si Kael naman, Mommy Joy, random question lang po. Since we saw how special and hardworking you are, what superpower do you want to have in life and why? Ayan, maganda yan. Kunyari, superhero ka. At binigyan ka ng special power, sabi ni Lord. Sige, bibigyan kita special power. Anong gusto mong special power?
Siguro yung healing hand. Healing hand for those who are sick. For those na, katulad ng mga bata nga na may mga Down syndrome na may butas sa puso. If I could just touch them and mag-close by itself yung mga butas sa puso nila, I'll be very thankful and grateful for that power. And sana magkatotoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Para less na yung gastos.
Yes,
diba?
less na yung gastos.
Oo.
And to make people happy and for them to live longer.
Yeah. Ito yung
Enjoy
dapat
life.
natin sinusuportahan eh. Hindi yung mga corruptions. Ganon no? And then sabi ni Sharina, you are an amazing mom. You're doing wonderful job and I'm so proud of you. Good luck. And then si Melinda, go Mommy Joy family. LBH, proud of you. Advance congrats po. Si Christina, so proud of you, Mommy Joy. Thank you for representing our SNED.
SNED,
SPED
community,
yan.
the
SPED
school
yun.
meeting. Yeah.
And then, si Lagunga, go, Mommy Joy.
Yeah. Teacher
You are
Leia.
beautiful
Yeah.
with the heart, beauty, and brain. Thank you, daw. And then si Joy,
Yeah.
Don, go, Mommy Joy. God bless, we are supporting you. Wala na? And, ayan. Ano pa?
Kadami.
Ay, si Sol. You are an empowered mom. An epitome of a strong woman. We are here to support you, Mommy Joy, no matter where life take us to. And the most important, thank you for being the voice of inclusion in Mrs. Universe. God bless you and your journey. We're all here together. It's ganda naman.
Wow.
And then sabi ni Ma'am Alvaran, one of the strongest women I've known. And I'm proud of you, rooting for you always, Mommy Joy. Sabi ni Summer.
See you tomorrow.
Hi, Mommy Joy. Shout out naman. Hi daw, Summer.
Hi, Summer.
Lana. Ay, ayan.
Sino
May
to?
tanong. Hi, Bebs. Sabi ni Bebs. Hello, Mommy Joy. Ano po ang mga nagiging preparation nyo po into upcoming coronation, lalo na sa national pageant?
Hi, hayon. Drink.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, honestly, Mami Ray, medyo nasashock ako. Napakarami pa lang naka-line up na activities. We had our first orientation last April 30 with Ma'am Cheryl Laude. And sinabi niya na yung mga series of events and activities that we have to attend. Merong photo shoot, video shoot. We have upcoming fashion show. May mga forum. We have to prepare for our talent portion. May talent. So, meron din kami mga videos so that we have to prepare, like our advocacy videos, the tourism videos, and ayun, for June 23 onwards hanggang coronation night na, na kami sa hotel, and then marami na, may mga presentations na, may mga interviews.
Yeah,
Interviews
you have,
sila
gonna have a press presentation yan.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
May press,
Yes.
ayan. So, lahat ng mga presentations, and of course, start na mag-diet.
Yeah. Hindi, Mami, how
Diet.
about yung mga susuotin mo? Meron na ba? Meron ka bang sponsors noon and everything? O, own pocket?
Yung mga ito, mga initials, on pocket. But yun nga, si Ma'am Shara was saying na I need to tap daw mga local designers from Antipolo para, yun nga, ma-promote din yung mga talents namin. Meron na akong napupusuan and shout out Sir Ryan.
Wow.
Sir Ryan is a very, very talagang talented na designer for mga gowns namin sa Antipolo. Kasi medyo nag-busy lang siya because of the Maytime Festival. But
Yeah.
all the queens there, talagang siya ang dress up. And I'm really excited na to sit down with him kasi sabi niya, tapos sila yung Maytime Festival and then I'll sit down with him to discuss ano yung mga requirements like national costume, yung mga ganun,
Yung
mga long gown.
pre-show nyo, may mga gano'n pre-pageant and everything.
Yes,
And
yes.
then, Mommy, is your local government supporting you?
Yes,
So that's
actually, shout out again kay Consi LJ Sumulong. He's helping me with my advocacy video and tourism yung staff niya para to help me prepare. And we're planning to have a courtesy call kay Mayor kasi I'm also from Antipolo. Ayun. And then, I'm sure all of yung mga nagsha-shout out dyan are my friends from the LGUs. Kasi nga, yun nga, for how many years din naman we collab with the
Yeah.
LGUs.
Yes.
PDAO, CSWD, about the various activities ng LBH Antipolo. So, marami naman po kami mga programs and activities that were implemented because we collaborated with them.
So magiging busy ka na starting this June 23 onward, sabi mo. Tama ba, June
At
20?
mag-start na kami itong May, June,
May-
for the 2 months.
For the 2
Medyo
months.
full pack na mga
So,
lineup.
na-explain mo yan sa family, especially with Angel, that you're not gonna be there every time. Paano? How supportive is the family?
Si Daddy is very supportive talagang.
Lucky.
Nandyan siya ngayon.
Yeah,
Para
you're lucky.
Maging, sabi niya, PA, bodyguard, driver, lahat.
Lahat.
And this is the journey na talagang, siya talaga ang number 1 fan. Di ba?
Oh,
And talaga nagpupush sa akin na, kaya ko to.
yeah.
Something. So, si Angel naman, wala naman akong problema because I think I've raised her well. Medyo independent na siya.
Yeah.
And sadly, ano kasi siya? Daddy's girl. So, mas happy din siya na andyan si Daddy.
Nakakatampo ba na si Angel ay mas daddy's girl even though you're giving 100% of
Yes.
time with Angel?
May konti, pero pero ako naman, secured naman ako sa feelings ko.
Yeah,
Na
yeah.
alam kong mahal din naman ako ni Angel. Pero iba lang kasi, si Daddy kasi is medyo may pa-spoiled thing.
Yeah.
Kaya yan, nasa
Hindi,
kanya yung
ang
loyalty.
daddy naman ng spoiler, tayo yung disciplinarian,
Yes,
diba?
yes,
Ang
yes.
mommies.
Pero again, sabi ko nga kay Daddy, minsan lang ito.
Yeah.
Sabi na nga lang niya, isipin na lang daw nila nag-vacation ako for a week
Yeah.
so that I could focus
Yes.
and enjoy my moment
Yes.
with the Mrs. Yu. It's the sisterhood eh. It's the bonding that I'm
Yeah.
excited talaga from the very start. Kasi this is, parang new opportunity, new environment. Kasi ang mga kasamahan ko parati, mga advocates.
Yeah.
This time, mga queens, na kala mo all the while okay ka na.
Yeah.
Pero when you're there with them, parang you need to level up pa. Kulang pa. So, parang yung confidence mo is mas, tatagan mo pa talaga when you're with them.
Even though, para sa'yo, it's not a competition, it's sisterhood, pero you have to level up pa pala.
Yes. Kasi ang sabi nga ni Ma'am Charo, lumaban pa rin.
Yeah,
Give
of
it a good
course.
fight.
Yeah.
Kahit na minsan, yun nga, minsan nakakatakot. May fear,
Yeah.
may outside my comfort zone, but
Yeah.
I'll still give it a good fight for
Yeah.
for my family
Of
and
course.
for all the special moms.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and speaking of family, eto na, magtatanong na ako kay Mommy Joy. Mommy Joy, sabi mo nga you're busy with the foundation ng LBH, 'di ba? Tapos nag-give up ka ng career mo just to be with Angel and take care of Angel. Pero lagi ka ba nasa bahay?
Yes, after nung during the pandemic,
Yeah.
I decided na mag-early retirement. Now,
Yeah.
I'm a full-time homemaker.
Okay.
But, yun nga, may mga doubts at first na sabi ko, mababato ako.
Yeah.
Anong gagawin ko sa bahay? But, I'm truly grateful that I finally took that opportunity.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, I have more time for my family.
Mm-mm.
And ito palang advocacy nito has been parang naka-on hold sa buhay ko. At saka baka ito talaga yung purpose ni God.
Yeah.
Bakit binigyan kami ng special child is to be an advocate for special children. Pero yung time before was busy ako sa work, busy ako sa studies. But now talagang 24/7 natututukan ko na yung advocacy works ko. I have a lot of organizations na sinalihan. And, ayun, nakakatuwa. First time kong maging PTA officer. Sa mga 2 boys ko, lagi ako nagtatago pag election. But now, talagang nai-enjoy ko yung pagiging mommy, na yung opportunity na ihahatid mo, susunduin mo, a-attend ka ng mga PTA meetings, nagki-create ka ng mga activities for the teachers, for the school. And yun nga, yung recent JS prom nila, Angel, I was there talagang hands-on talagang mag-prepare. And it was overwhelming na parang, bakit hindi ko to ginawa before,
Yes.
di ba?
Parang eye-opening to sa'yo.
Yes,
ganon.
na hindi ko na-experience.
Yes, of course. Then the reason why I asked you if nag-stay ka pa ba sa bahay, kasi there's one question I want to ask you. If party ka ng bahay mo, anong part ka ng house?
Party ako ng bahay. Siguro, masasabi ko sa garden.
Why?
Why? Because during the pandemic, I discovered I'm a plantita.
Oh.
I'm a plantita. I started with 2 to 3 plants. Now, I have more than 100 pots sa house. And also, siguro, it's part of my personality. Yung nurturing and guiding my kids.
Yeah.
And yun nga, medyo nag-expand na yung mga kids
Yes.
ko. Kasama na yung other special kids. For them to see mag-grow, mag-bloom into their own unique abilities,
Yes.
di ba? Yung beyond their labels na special sila. So, beyond their, ang tawag nito, yung mga disabilities na sinasabi, di ba? So, let's just focus kung ano yung what's amazing in them, what's unique in them. And then, yun, magbo-bloom sila. So, yun. I'm a garden.
Yeah. First time ko may sumagot sa akin na ang part ng bahay ay garden.
Garden.
Which is nice naman.
Yeah, for them
And
to-
then, dahil nga nandito ka sa Mrs. Universe, we know that in every pageant, hindi ka naman lagi may kasamang glam team eh. Dapat
Wala
ikaw
nga
matuto
eh.
mag-makeup sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna ask you what kind of makeup you are, isa lang, anong makeup ka?
Isa lang.
Oo, isa lang.
Wait. Siguro, foundation.
Why?
Kasi, yun nga, yung the other meaning ng foundation is, sa iba, makeup. Pero for me, yung foundation ko is for mga special kids. At saka yung sa aking advocacy, sa aking grupo sa LDH, having a strong foundation para tumagal ang isang organization na NGO like LDH, kailangan meron kang ang tawag selfless na mga officers. You have a very active members. You have very good programs. Importante yun in any advocacy. So, a great foundation para mag-last siya. And at the same time, siguro, in the future, pag kaya pa ng powers ko, kasama sa bucket list ko is to put up a foundation for my dear Angel.
Oh, of course.
Or
Ayun.
parang legacy na
Ang
rin.
ganda
So,
naman. Ang ganda naman.
foundation.
Ang ganda naman nung foundation ng makeup is the other
Makeup,
meaning
the
of
other
it.
meaning.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, dinami-dami ng napagdaanan mo, Mami, from nung acceptance of angels. Ano naging mantra mo in life?
Mantra. Siguro it's, pwedeng dalawa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung number 1, yung naalala mo nung mga kids tayo, nag-aaral tayo, lagi nating nilalagay sa slumbook, time is gold. So, minsan, pinagtatawanan na, time is gold, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, now I realize na now we're adults and nasa prime na-realize ko, time is really good. Kasi ang bilis ng panahon, hindi mo alam na, eto nga, nasa prime ka, past prime na nga siguro tayo ng buhay natin. And then, parang few years na lang, ano pa ba yung mga hindi mo nagawa, gusto mong gawin? And I would say siguro sa life ko, nandun na ako dun sa, di ba may hierarchy of needs? We're done na with fulfilling yung mga, sa baba natin, nandun na ako sa self-actualization part na, what can I do to impart sa community para, yun nga, masabi na meron kang naiwan. And yun nga, may ma-share ka na hindi lang basta sabihin natin nagbigay ka ng pera or what. It's more than that eh. It's more of your impact to them.
Yes.
So, if you inspire them, hindi yung mananakaw eh.
Oo.
'Di ba? So, this is one way of inspiring the parents na, yes, this is the Mrs. Universe is scary thing. Ang hirap, maraming preparations. Pero, if you believe in yourself na kaya mo, and if you believe na may impact ka sa community, makaka-inspire ka, so why not? Eh, after reading all the comments, andyan lahat ang support nila. Sino pa ba ang hindi lalaban?
Oo nga, nakakataba ng puso yung mga comments sa'yo. And dahil dyan, magbabasa pa tayo na last, basa tayo ng comments kasi ang dami kong nabasa dyan before my last question kay Mommy Joy. There are like, okay, sabi ni Sindel, amazing superpower and super woman like you, Miss Joy. Amen for the healing hands watching from Singapore. Ay, thank you for
Nasa
watching.
Singapore.
Aston, so proud of Mama Joy. Thank you for staying strong for us. We love you so much. And thank you for the 20 stars again, Aston. Maraming salamat for the 20 stars. At sabi ni Alexandra, BTS now.
Ay, si Angel yan.
Si Angel. Parang feeling ko, favorite ni Angel ang BTS.
Yes, and
Oh,
Blackpink.
dapat, nako, magsama kayo ng daughter ko. Favorite ng dalawa ang BTS. Sabi ni Johanna Nicole, we love you,
Mommy
Mommy
Joy.
Joy. So proud of you. And good luck. Sabi ni Elf. Good luck po and God bless on your new journey, Mom Joy. And Lana. Well, Lana, ayan. Mommy, my last question to you. Sa dinami-dami na ng pagdaanan mo in life, nasaan ka na ngayon sa parte ng buhay?
As a mom,
As a mom, as a woman, as a lumalaban para sa ating mga special kids and a special mom. Nasaan ka na ngayon?
siguro i-reiterate ko lang yung sinabi ko. Siguro nga, nandun ako sa self-actualization stage na. Nasa taas na, in a sense na, hindi ka na kontento na yung nasa immediate lang ng community mo yung tutulungan mo.
Yeah.
Parang my sense of happiness now is making someone's happy, making someone's proud of yung paano mo sila tinulungan, and making somebody inspire sila sa journey mo. And then, masabi nila sa sarili nila, ay nagawa ni Mami Joy. Kaya ko rin gawin yan sa family ko. So, ayun.
Inspiring other people.
Yes. Making parang ripple effect.
Yeah.
Na whatever na nakuha ko before na support sa mga organizations na sinalilihan ko, I try to, ang tawag doon, i-pay forward to the families na kailangan din ng support, kailangan din ng guidance, kailangan din ng, yung magbo-boost ng confidence na dinaanan ko rin yan, pero kinaya ka at kakayanin mo rin.
Giving a good example to them, mas masarap pakita, di ba? Ay, ang bilis ng oras. Tapos ng interview, may nakita ko dyan. Ang sarap daw makinig sa interview. Maraming salamat for staying with us for 1 hour. Yan po, ang sabi nga, ani ka-special, amazing answer, Mommy Joy. Ayan, and then sabi ni Irene, good luck, Mommy Joy, we're so proud of you. Ayan, maraming salamat for joining us, Mommy Joy.
Thank you,
Maraming
Mami.
salamat for this opportunity, for
Yes.
sharing your journey to us, being representing Mrs. Universe Philippines ng LBH.
LBH.
Sharing angel to us, sharing being a special mom to us. Maraming salamat. I just wish you good luck on the
Yes.
coronation night. And then,
Yes.
my only advice for you is enjoy the journey.
Enjoy the journey.
Because
enjoy the
now
road.
you're really a winner now. For me,
Wow.
you're really a winner. Thank you
Thank you.
so much, Mommy Joy.
Thank you.
At bago po tayo magsara at mag-close ng ating magandang chikahan tonight, of course, I'm inviting all of you to watch our anniversary show on June 6 and 7. Ang aming show is Saglit Lang, Totoo Na, directed by our director, Direct Rodel Mercado, that you can watch this in Mirror Studio Theater in Kalayaan Avenue, Makati. Ayan, you can call now because our tickets are available and have a reservation at 0927-242-2673 and 0954-170-2679. And also, you can chat or email or PM us in our Facebook page, Ignos Novos Artist Management Facebook page and Instagram, pareho lang po sila. And of course, we have our TikTok at ignosnovos.official. And of course, please like, share, and subscribe our mother company, First Son Production, with the Facebook First Son Production, Facebook and Instagram. And of course, our YouTube channel where you can watch all our lives in First Son Creative. And of course, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, of course, our lives, starting with me, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday, Up Top Download Podcast. And every Friday naman po, Coffee Chat with David. Make it a habit, 7 p.m. po. And of course, sa akin naman, please like, follow, and subscribe my social media. My Facebook is Rachel Pulion. My FB page, Mommy Ray 3. My IG is Mommy_Ray433. And my TikTok and X at Mommy Ray 3. Eto nga po, sabi ni Mommy Joy, being a special mom is a gift from God. Not everybody is given a chance to be special mom. Binigay sa inyo yan ng Panginoon dahil alam ng Panginoon, kaya niyong alagaan, protektahan ang mga anak natin na may special needs. We just need to accept, love them, para pati ang ating komunidad, i-accept din sila. And being a special mom will make you a better and stronger person. Dahil sa ating pagiging special mom, kaya natin labanan na kung ano man ang dadating sa ating mga problema. Ito po ang inyong Mommy Ray na lagi nagsasabi, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye mga anak! See you all next week! Bye po, Mommy Joy!
Bye!
Good luck and thank you so much.
Thank you to Mommy Ray, and thank you sa lahat naman nag-comments, nag-ask ng questions, and nagpa-shoutout. See you!
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!